Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to someone else. This method is easy, safe, and completely free to use. Just follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how ticket transfer works and how to send your tickets securely. With ticket transfer, you can transfer all or some of your tickets from one Ticketmaster account to another. It's easy, safe, and completely free. When you transfer tickets to another fan and they accept them, the recipient is issued a new barcode that only they can use. The tickets in the sender's account will no longer be valid for entry. When you transfer tickets to another fan and they accept them, the recipient is issued a new barcode that only they can use. The tickets in the sender's account will no longer be valid for event entry. To transfer your tickets, follow these steps. Sign into your Ticketmaster account. Select My Tickets and the event to view your tickets. Select Transfer. If the button is grayed out, your tickets aren't eligible for transfer. You'll receive a text with a one-time code to verify your identity. Type in the code to select Confirm. Visit our help page to learn more. Select the tickets you'd like to transfer and Transfer to. Enter your recipient's information, including their email address. You could even add a note too. Tap Transfer Ticket. Your transferred tickets will show in your account as sent. Once the recipient has accepted them, you'll receive an email confirming the ticket has been accepted. After a successful ticket transfer, the ticket in your account is no longer valid for event entry. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to someone else safely and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Thank you for watching.